Hey guys, welcome to Webwork Designers. This is Arvin and in this video we'll be starting a basic HTML tutorial. But before we start, we need to learn the importance of HTML. HTML or Hypertext Markup Language is one of the core languages that you need to learn if you want to start web development. With the help of HTML, CSS and JavaScript, one can create any website he wants. These three elements basically deal with the visual part of a website, the part that you see. So to start with web development, we need a text editor. For this, we can use the default text editor provided in the Windows environment, that is the Notepad. But as you can see, the Notepad seems very uninteresting and it does not provide any specific features to help you with web development. Some basic features like file, edit, format, view and help are there in the Notepad. So we use a different text editor known as Notepad++. This this software provides many features to help you with web development, like running your code in a browser and checking it. So we'll go into the browser and type in Notepad++. We will select the first option that pops up and go ahead into the download section of the website. Now, depending whether your system is a 32-bit one or a 64-bit one, you can choose the one that suits you. You can also choose between various installation options like using the installer 7-zip package, a zip package, or using the source code itself. You can see the various features provided in the app. Now go ahead and download it and then open Notepad++. This is the basic UI of Notepad++. But uh, like this feature helps you run your code in various browsers and check the layout, how the users will see it and stuff. But before you start, as you can see, the computer, the notepad is saving it as a text file. But .txt is not a format supported by the browser. That is, it is not able to read it. So we need to change it to HTML first. So now we will click on File and select the Save As option. You can give it any name you want. Go ahead and type anything and then change the type and select it as HTML and then click Save. Now we will be learning some basic code that you need to type in every HTML program, and we'll be also learning a little about the DOM or document object model. So the first code that you need to type is the doc type of the HTML code. Now these two tags, these are known as tags. Every object has a closing tag and an opening tag. So first we will type the doc type. This this thing is case specific, so you need to take care of the case in which you type. This doc type is an obligatory thing. In every HTML code you'll have to type that. Now we will start a HTML tag so the browser understands that this is the HTML code that it needs to interpret. Everything has a starting tag and a closing tag. Now every HTML has a, now we have to make create more tag. Every HTML, these are known as a starting tag and a closing tag. Every HTML code has a head and a body, and these head and body are denoted by the starting and the closing tags. So we'll go ahead and type these things. The head is a part that you don't see, but it helps in the functioning of the, it is a background thing, means that you don't see the code that you type, which is not seen in the browser, but it helps in the various functions of the body. In the body, anything you type inside the body goes onto the screen. It is a thing that the user sees when he opens up the link or your website. So now let's go and type something between the body. You can type anything in the body. There are several tags inside the body which you'll be learning in the next tutorials, which you can use to add various features to your text, like change, like the size, their color. So now let's go and type something. I'll type, hey, this is Aryan, and let's save it. After saving it, we can run it in our browser, and it prints it. Hey, this is Aryan. Thank you guys for staying connected. We'll continue this tutorial in the next video. I'll be learning about the various tags that are present inside the body. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like the video.